Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Welcome back, everybody. It's Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton. We're live at Willa Gillespie Elementary School here in Eugene for Math and Science Night. Our own meteorologist Melissa Fry back there entertaining the kids and talking about everything from barometric pressure to how do you make tornadoes and all things in between. This is all part of a experience to kind of help the kids not only have fun with math and science, but learn something as well. There's a lot of great experiments all throughout the school. We're sitting in the meteorology room here, and boy, oh boy, it's been a good day for us to sort of demonstrate not only how the weather works, but just showing the kids outside the weather that's been going on. Some scattered showers on and off most of the afternoon. And let's go outside right now to the visual satellite and we'll show you what we've got. For the most part, that low continues to spin just offshore. You can see the very end of the sweep there. We're losing the visual satellite, but at the very beginning, it continues to push all of that moisture onshore. As it does, again, that's been turning into the scattered showers on and off throughout most of the day today. As I was just talking to one of the parents here, she had mentioned very humid outside this afternoon, and boy, oh boy, it has been. It's been a very humid afternoon, but nice to see some rain showers back in our forecast. And so far today, overall, we've picked up about 1/4 of an inch of rain. That's the most we've seen, not only for the month of May, but you got to go all the way back to about, I'd say the first week of April before you start getting above 1/10 of an inch. Temperatures outside right now slowly falling into the upper 50s, still sitting at around 57 in North Bend, 55 in Cottage Grove, 40s as you get up in the mountains, and around 50 degrees out towards Bend and Redmond. And for the rest of the night tonight, we'll also be looking at temperatures right around 47, 46 degrees. I'm going to keep a mention of an isolated shower, but I think for the most part, folks down in Roseburg, South Coast probably will be done with those showers before midnight. Everybody else will likely see them taper off just a couple hours after that. As we head towards tomorrow, we'll see a couple of wraparound showers as the low just offshore there. You can see the flow going around that. That slowly sort of winds down, breaks up, moves inland, all three the same. And then we'll be watching back off to the west of that. Next low and cold front developing, and that one's going to ride over top of that little bubble of high pressure. That will slowly work towards us, but not till Sunday and Monday, so we've got another chance by Saturday afternoon to see some lightly scattered showers throughout the forecast. So here's how your forecast breaks down. A couple of stragglers left over tonight in terms of the showers. We'll be tapering off by, I'd say, early afternoon tomorrow. We'll see more light showers on Saturday. And again, that's the first time we've seen showers about 3 days in about a month as well. And then next week, we've got more rain potential coming. And in fact, we've got a big low dropping in from the Gulf of Alaska. So we will be talking about some cooler afternoons and possibly some snow below the passes. Wow, it is May, but it can happen. So isolated showers at the coast tomorrow. Temperatures there will be in the mid to upper 60s, or mid to upper 50s, 60 degrees down in Coos Bay and North Bend, and then slowly getting back up close to around 60 degrees Monday before we have more showers coming Tuesday through about the end of next week. In the Umpqua Basin, temperatures there will be partly sunny and in the mid-60s. 7-day forecast for folks down in the Umpqua Valley, also looking at a bit of a warmer forecast Sunday and Monday, but the next week kind of cool and showery, a little more typical for this time of year. Isolated showers in the Cascades, highs around 50 degrees there, low 60s in the foothills. Also looking at low 60s in Bend and Redmond. I don't think we'll see a whole lot of showers move through as we head in towards the weekend. An isolated shot Saturday, but then Tuesday, Wednesday, much better chances to get some actual showers and even a few thunderstorms popping as we head into next week. And finally in the valley, isolated showers early tomorrow around 63 to 64. 7-day forecast shows them being very light again Saturday. Should wrap up before we'll get a kind of a cool and showery next week, guys. But overall, nice to see the rain back, but it is impacting some folks' plans if they're headed out tonight.
Justin, you have all your little weather buddies out there with you. I'm surprised you didn't have anybody come on and kind of help give the forecast there.
Oh, I tell you, I've had a couple, but Melissa, they're enthralled right now. She's the star of the show. I'm just filling time at this point. So.
Well, you've done a good job. It looks like everybody's having a good time as well.
We're having a great time.
Thanks, Justin.
You bet.
Still don't know what